Once you have CleanDAO installed, head straight over to Workflows. In this demo, I'll create a workflow from scratch so you can see how both actions work. I'm using the contact object, but you can use any object that has a phone number property. I'll add a new action and scroll down to Apps, then open CleanDAO. You'll see two actions here, the Format Phone Number action and the Validate Phone Number action. We'll start with validation. Here I can choose the phone number I want to pass in, then pick the default country for cases where the number does not have an ISO code. I'll save that, and now the action is part of the workflow. Next, I'll enroll a few contacts so we can see what the action returns. If we open the enrollment history, we can see the actions completed successfully and all the returned data is available. We can also see these values inside the action outputs, ready to be passed into any next workflow step. Now, let's look at the formatting action. I've set up a new workflow from scratch again based on contacts. This time, I'll select the Format Phone Number action. In the configuration, I'll select the phone number field and then choose a format style. CleanDAO supports E164, International, National, Digits Only, and RFC 3966 for more advanced workflows. For this demo, I'll use International. Then I'll select the default country and save. I'll enroll a few contacts again. And if we check the enrollment history, we can see that the action ran successfully and returned the formatted number. Just like before, these values can be accessed in the action outputs and used however you like. And that is the full demo of both CleanDAO's actions. Thank you for watching.